And welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, my intention is to share the countries where where you can create a school community. Because I've been talking about school, but sometimes some of you hear me speak about things, how to make money online, and some countries are not allowed. So in this one, I'm here to say I'm happy that many countries are allowed, especially West Africa. For some reason, most of the time West Africa is not allowed, but this time Ghana, Nigeria, you are all welcome. So if you're seeing for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema, and I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA, passionate about introducing business. If you never owned a business, it's your time. It's your time. Because of these books, the knowledge I got in these books, business is going to be the only way that you free up especially as you grow older. You start slowly. As you grow older, hopefully it will be able to sustain, to pay your bills, your business. But you see, if it's a job, I'm not saying quit your job, but I'm saying later, it could be an issue. And for some people, even jobs are an issue right now. You're overworked, right? So if you're looking for something to do to make some money, and especially if you want to be happy doing it, and if you're looking for something to do from home, and make some money, if you're looking for something to do online so you don't have to move to another country, that's where I'm introducing this school, and I'm very excited. So you make money by just creating a community, and you maybe about your passion or skill you have. You know what? Watch the video at the end of the screen after this one, so that you can see how I've been explaining all these, because I explained in a video like how this works, so that this one we focus it on me just reading the countries. So in these countries you can do this, but I'm not reading all. The only way you're going to know the countries is if you try, click a link I have in the description somewhere. You go and see if they allow you to pay. That's the only way you know for sure. But right now, the ones I'm reading, this is a screenshot. It's an idea, okay? It's an idea. Most countries are allowed. And remember what you're doing? It's about making money. Now, school, I didn't mention, school was created by, the CEO of school is called Sam Ovens. And then the co-owner is Alex Somozi. I don't know if you heard of the school community and the school games. So that's what you're talking about. People are making money with this. And now I'm reading these countries, but it could change, because in the latest meeting I just been listening, they are introducing Google Pay and Apple Pay. So if you have, you have Google Pay in your phone and Apple Pay in your phone, you can do this. But for the others, we've been using debit and credit cards, okay? You had to have the processing transactions the old way. But if you can do Google Pay, Apple Pay soon, they're introducing that. That may add more countries. So which countries? I'm going to read. Okay, this is a screenshot I did from their system. It starts with Albania, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia. If I don't pronounce it right, please forgive me. It's my accent, and yeah, please. Let's start over. Albania, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Belgium, Bolivia, Bosnia, and that one, I couldn't see that one really well. Bulgaria, Cambodia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cyprus, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Estonia, Ethiopia, Finland, France, Gambia, Germany, Ghana, Gibraltar, Greece, Guatemala, Guyana, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kenya, Kuwait, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Macau, Madagascar, Malaysia, Malta, Mauritius, Mexico, Moldova, Mongolia, Morocco, Namibia, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, North Macedonia, Norway, Oman, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Rwanda, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Switzerland, Tanzania, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Turkey, United Arab Emirates or UAE, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Algeria, Angola, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Benin, Bhutan, Botswana, Brunei, Gabon, the Kazakhstan, Laos, Monaco, Mozambique, Pakistan, San Marino, Taiwan. So it's possible I missed some because this was the screenshot. The only way you're going to know is if you go in their system and try to pay for membership and either say yes or no. And then you're going to see this list. That's why I got it. You see if your country is involved, is allowed. You can leave a comment for me if you want to know. I could go check and respond. I respond to all my comments on the video. So if you want to know if your country is listed. But this is what I would say. If you're watching me and you're from Uganda, Uganda is not there. But you had Kenya, you had Tanzania, you had Rwanda, and even Ugandans themselves. If you know a sister, a brother who is a Ugandan, but in another country, you can set up something together. These are communities. And remember, I explained more in detail in the click a video that comes at the end to go watch how this works. Anyone can do this. Any person can do this. And you can work from anywhere you choose, anytime you choose. This, you're about to hear it. If you haven't heard about school, you're going to hear it. It's like this, the Facebook groups, only this one is better. It's better because anyone can do this. Facebook groups, most people who made money with those were like professionals selling something, they have a course or something. But this one, anyone can do it. I've been talking about it a lot. If you look around my YouTube channel, you'll see. So this was, the intention for this one was just to read the countries, and I just did. I already have my own community. I'll put some links in the description and the pinned comment. And also you can start your own community. I'll put a link for you. But more importantly, watch the video that's next here so that you understand how this whole thing works, because I explain it better. Like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health, because without health, you can't do any of this stuff. Take a step to better. You watch next and see how I explain how you make money with this. I'll watch my other videos because I've been ranting about this a lot. I'm so excited because we're fighting poverty. Take a step to better you. Bye-bye. Like it. I didn't even ask you to like. Like, share, add a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.